So our very first trade of this challenge is a huge success. Like I explained, our first target this week is supposed to be to double the account, to take it from 100k to 200k. But with the help of the news, the NFE news that came up, we were able to get far more than what we even expected. And we started with 100k, and then we are closing with 270k, which is about 170% increase in one trade. So this is a huge success. And then I just want to share with you guys the strategy we use in doing this. I normally use my top down analysis strategy to do a normal trade, but then I pattern it in a way I can also use it to do flipping. That is to ensure that I go into the trade at a particular point and then leave at a particular point, which I'm going to be explaining all of this process all through every live session we hold before we take the trade. The ones that we can use for flipping and then the ones for a normal trade. Every of these things will be detailed. So this is the reason why you need to subscribe to this channel, so you can follow through and understand how to differentiate between setups that you can flip and setup that you should trade normally as a day trader or as a swing trader. So for this particular trade today, 1st of August, we've been following up a setup plan that we have been looking at on GU, GBPUSD. GBPUSD last week created something that looked like a H and S, head and shoulder, and it was already trying to form the right angle when I saw it last week. So I decided to sell from the right angle down to break the neckline of the H and S, and then down to the point where we have a strong daily support. And it is from that same daily support angle that I decided to go in this week, starting with this strategy, with this flipping of accounts. Now, when I realized that the market has touched that daily support level, I decided to go in with my other candle formation analysis, where I will have to cut down on the time frame to see if there's a conformity between the higher time frame and the lower time frame to give me my perfect entry. And when I saw that, I started executing my entries, and with that we're able to achieve the target of 170% as against our initial target of 100%. So the account right now has moved from 100k to 270k, which we are closing with today, Friday. So by next week, we're hoping to take it from 270k to about 500 and something. So we're already ahead of our targets from this very first week, this very first day, and it's a good one. It's a very good sign. Before the end of probably the end of our third week, we should be able to finish this challenge, and every one of you that are following up should have enough money to start trade bigger funds. So just subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. If there's any aspect you want me to explain further, you put it there on the comment section, and then I'll look into it. And as well, I want to also encourage you to watch all the other stages. I've dropped several short videos in order for you to understand the processes, understand all the entry points I used. This video is going to link you to the next video where I showed all the entry points I took for each of the trades I had on this account. I took about 10 trades on this particular setup, and I explained the reason why I had to take them in the next video. So do well to watch the next video and understand every single aspect of this, so that anywhere you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section and I will respond to you. For now, all we'll have to do is sit back and wait for next week's setup, and then we continue with the process. Have a wonderful weekend.